Hey guys, Tony here. Good morning. I am expecting SHIB to run from, or SHIBA INU to basically start running from here. We are essentially trading on trend right now, and we're a little bit under. We're a little bit under that 29.30-ish resistance. But the really good part is that we are actually on the 50 MA on the hour, and we're also on trend. The last time we were on the stoke here was actually all the way back on October 9th, when we started our initial push from 20 microcents all the way up to about 32 microcents. So I am, see, there you go. You already have that bullish trigger on the upside. And essentially, right, with my reverse MACD, is if we have that bullish trigger above the 0 line and we have the stochastic creating clear bottoms with the blue MA above the red MA, that's essentially a signal of a perfect buy. Not only that, but we are on the 50 MA and we are hitting on trend. So I'm expecting us to fully at least go back to around the 32 microcent mark. If not, maybe this might be the rally or the start of the rally that takes us back to like, what is this? Like maybe 32-ish microcents. At least we're going there. But you know, to be more clear, I think we found the bottom right here, and I think for the most part, this might actually be the start of the rally that takes us all the way up to 37 microcents. So unfortunately, we did have Bitcoin drop a little bit. We're still trading around the same range as we were like yesterday. So I'm not really all that upset at the range that SHIBA is creating. But I do think we have created bottoms on trend, and in the next 31 minutes, if we actually manage to close bullish on the hour candle, I fully expect us to run to 32, hopefully break that relative high, and then go basically after that go into 37 microcents. So I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.